In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your camera movements in Blender feel more natural and lifelike. Camera movements are essential for creating dynamic and engaging animations, but they can sometimes look a bit stiff or artificial if not handled well. So, let's dive in and learn some techniques to enhance the realism of your animations. First, let's talk about the importance of refining your animation curves in the graph editor. When you first animate a camera in Blender, the default setting is an ease in, ease out motion. While this easing can be useful, it might not always give the most natural feel. To address this, go into the graph editor where you can manually adjust your curves. This allows you to create a more fluid and natural movement by fine-tuning how your camera accelerates and decelerates. The graph editor provides a visual representation of your animation's timing and motion, so take your time, experiment with handle positioning, and adjust the curves to give more realism to your camera movements. Now, once you've refined the curves, let's introduce slight inconsistencies that mimic real-world imperfections. Real cameras don't move perfectly, and adding a touch of randomness can enhance authenticity. A great way to achieve this is by tweaking the curve handles manually or using tools like the Shakeify add-on. Shakeify allows you to introduce subtle shaking effects, mimicking handheld or natural vibrations. Alternatively, you can add a noise modifier directly on your location and rotation curves. Adding noise creates variations that are less predictable and more organic, enhancing the natural feel of your shots. Another valuable technique is to lock the camera to view. This option allows you to directly control the camera orientation while you're positioning it within your scene. By locking the camera to view, you can navigate your 3D environment just like using your viewport, which provides a more intuitive understanding of space and composition. Set up shots more dynamically and see in real time how your adjustments affect the final camera path. Finally, don't underestimate the power of using video references of real-world camera movements. Watching videos shot by professionals or even analyzing your own footage can provide insights into how cameras naturally respond to movement, gravity, and momentum. Pay close attention to how these videos handle transitions and sudden changes in direction. Applying what you observe will guide you in creating animations with a physical presence. And there you have it. By refining your animation curves, introducing inconsistencies, locking the camera to your view, and using real-world references, you can achieve camera movements in Blender that are both engaging and lifelike. Keep experimenting with these techniques, and over time, you'll find your unique style that enhances the storytelling of your animations. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!